from Learn and Grow channel. So today we are going to discuss about awk. This is my second video in continuation with the awk series. So after seeing my complete series, you will be expert in the awk programming. Okay, so let us proceed without any further delay. So today topic is awk and regular expression. So I hope you know the regular expression. I am not going to in detail discuss the regular expression, but I should give you a brief idea what is regular expression. So regular expression is made up of patterns. Regular expression is made up of pattern. What are patterns? So patterns are used by using some characters, also called meta characters. Meta characters which have more than one meaning. Okay, let me tell you one thing. This is, suppose this is a word, this. So it represent only a single meaning, this. Now if I have a pattern, what is pattern? This is my pattern. So this star is used to represent one or more pattern of this S preceding. So it can give you this. So it can represent multiple, it can have multiple meaning. So pattern can represent the multiple strings. So by matching a pattern, you can make your regular expression. Then you can search them in by using your awk. So there are some regular expression I can make using patterns, and in patterns I use meta characters. So these are example of meta characters. So we will see how we can use this and what is the meaning of these words in upcoming examples. Okay, so regular expression is clear. Okay, I will explain once again. Regular expression are made up of patterns, and pattern I make by using these meta characters. A patterns can represent one or more form of a single string. Like this star has the meaning 0 or more occurrence of preceding character. So this is before S, so this specify the 0 or more occurrence. Similarly, you have this plus this question mark. So we are going to discuss this all the things, how we will search using regular expression. So let's go in our terminal. Okay, in our terminal we have a file employee.dat. So we will play in this file and I will give you example how you can search using the regular expression with awk. Okay, so in awk, to do a simple search, what you do, suppose if I have to grab all the Gmail, then simple syntax is awk then Gmail. So it will search all the lines that have Gmail in them. So this is basic simple search. As I told you earlier, if you don't specify this search pattern, then awk will work on all the lines. But if I specify some pattern or condition, on the basis of this pattern or condition, I can specify on which particular lines I want to play. So let me open again this file. So first is our simple search. This is not regular expression, this is simple search. So this is matching exact Gmail. So wherever it is finding Gmail, it's giving you output. Okay, let me give you example. In awk, when you do the matching of a regular expression, then you use this operator. Okay, let me give you example. Awk, suppose I want to match in second field. This is a symbol you use. Character, suppose I give you example, I need the line where it contain sing, this character. Then I want to print only those lines which have match of this. Okay, so see, this is match, only this one is match, or I can write it as $0 also I can write. So this is matching for where the second field is matching with sing. I can use it like this. Okay, then I will give you one example. Suppose you need the lines where the sing is not present, then you can negate your search by using this. So you will get all the lines where sing is not present. Let me run this again. So this is for matching, and this will this exclamation mark will negate your meaning. Okay, now I will give you more example. Then we have anchor. What is anchor? Anchor is in our regular expression pattern is this and this. So this will search at the beginning of line, and this will search at the end of the line. Okay, suppose I want to search the lines which start with J. Okay, J, then I can write this print. So all the lines that are beginning with J are coming here. Okay, now let me give you one more example. Suppose I need the line which are ending with 0, suppose, then I can write $0. This is there. So all the lines that are ending with 0 are coming here. So dollar is for the end of the line, and this caret symbol is for beginning of the line. Okay, then let us proceed further. Okay, let me give you more example. Suppose I need the file where, suppose in second field, this is second field, where in my second field I need the lines. This is my second field, suppose $1, $2, this is my second field. So suppose here I need the names which are ending with A. So I can write awk $2. This I can write ending with A, dollar, then print. So this will give you all the names that are ending with A. So here I am specifying the second field. Okay, let me give you more example. Then we have dot. Dot is nothing. Suppose I have a file. Let me see if I have a file there. Suppose in a file I have one more file. Regular expression, that is one file. Here the regular expression is .dat. So suppose here I have put, and I have port also somewhere. So if I want to search port or put, then I can write P and any one character, then T, then I can specify my print regular expression. So it will get all the lines that contain U and O. So this is any single character I can represent. Okay, I will give you more example. Okay, suppose I have a file test.txt, and in my file I have this is my file. Suppose, let me show you content of file test.txt. So suppose I want to search all the words that contain ing in them, and before ing any single character can be present. Okay, so I can write awk, then this, then any character before ing, then close it, print test.txt. So you are getting singing, ping you are also getting, going you are also getting. So any character before this. Okay, let me give you more example. Then we have bracket expression. Bracket expression, like suppose you have this A B C D like this, so it will search for any one character, either A, either B, either C, either D. Let me give you one example. Suppose in my file I want to search the lines that contain either A, B, C, D, E, F, I, G, H, so I can use this bracket. I can use this. Okay, or instead of writing like this, I can write in this way also, A to J. This is also one syntax. Okay, let me give you one more example. So here it will find J, A, and A to Z, anything can be present, any one word, then A to Z any word, so it will search that. Let me show you. So you are getting Jack and Jane, so you can use like this. Let me give one more example. Suppose you want to find 2, then either 3 or 5 can be present, so it will search for 2300 2500 in my line where it present, so it get 2300 and 2500. Okay, so then we have alternate operator. Let me show you what is alternation operator. So in this way you can search either Emily, Jack, or Anna, so any one word will be searched, so you will get the line where Emily is present, Anna is present, and Jack is present. So in this way you can play with regular expression by using with your awk command. So I hope this is clear to you, and I will try to make a detailed video on the regular expression, because regular expression are used with awk command, sed command, so these are very important, you should understand them. But the main idea behind this video is like you should understand how you can use awk with the regular expression. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Next I will come with my third video in awk series. Thank you for watching. Have a good